Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Daily FX Market News. January 24, 7:15 America New York, Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, Russell 2000 mauled as risk-off sentiment dominates price action. Global stock markets continue to fall, hit hard by fears of excessive Fed hawkishness and the buildup of Russian troops on the Ukraine border.
BBC News Business. January 24, 7:14 America New York, coronavirus travel testing rules in England to be relaxed. Ministers will discuss dropping a requirement to take a lateral flow test within 48 hours of arrival. Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24, 7 o'clock America New York, WallStreetBets loses its cool factor. A year ago, the Reddit group was the engine that powered the rookie trader. Now, veteran members say they are finding only tired-out ideas. Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24, 6:41 America New York, Bitcoin, Coinbase, Peloton, Kohl. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Crypto stocks were following cryptocurrencies lower. An activist investor wants Peloton's chief executive fired. Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24, 6:34 America New York, Chinese stocks glimpse light at the end of the tunnel. China's central bank is tilting dovish, as the Fed, and most other major central banks, increasingly lean the other way. BBC News Business. January 24, 6:31 America New York, Peloton takes another hit from TV heart attack. After a heart attack in Sex and the City remake, Peloton gets an unfavorable portrayal in Billions.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. January 24, 6:30 America New York, Penny Lane on Loving and Loathing Kenny G. Annual Listener Survey. https://www.surveymonkey.com/r/cqx28t6. Vote for your 2021 favorites. Love it or hate it, but you've definitely heard it. The so-called smooth jazz of saxophonist Kenny G.
BBC News Business. January 24, 6:18 America New York, banknote maker De La Rue rocked by supply chain shortages. De La Rue issues profit warning as the pandemic pushes up the costs of the materials it uses.
Daily FX Market News. January 24, 6:10 America New York, USD long slashed, CAD flips net long, no more shorts to fuel GBP, USD rise. USD longs drop by 1/3, traders bullish CAD into BOC risk, GBP short squeeze out of juice.
Global Economy. January 24, 6:09 America New York, Omicron hits Eurozone business despite fewer supply chain snags, PMIs show. Block weather's variant better than past COVID waves, but infection surge hurts services as inflation rises.
Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24, 6:09 America New York, SPACs are running out of names to list. The SPAC boom has led two marketing companies to battle over who gets to be called System 1, a name taken from Daniel Kahneman's bestseller, Thinking, Fast and Slow.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. January 24, 6 o'clock America New York, a simple model of war and peace. Rumors of war, think Ukraine, in a complicated world suggest that we look at a simple model of war and peace. Consider a world with two countries, Borderia and Sildavia.
Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24, 5:30 America New York, dispute between Apollo co-founders Black, Harris boils over. Tension between Leon Black and his Apollo Global Management co-founder Josh Harris is threatening to buffet the investment giant with fresh controversy. Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24, 5:30 America New York, clean energy stocks are down but still have their spark. After capital gushed into climate technology and other sustainable investments last year, the market is selling off. But investors don't see a repeat of the clean tech bust more than a decade ago.
New York Times Business. January 24, 5 o'clock America New York, a fight over rooftop solar threatens California's climate goals. Utility regulators have proposed slashing the incentives homeowners receive to install solar panels, a long-sought goal of utilities and labor unions. The California Public Utilities Commission will vote in the next few weeks on a proposal that would slash the financial incentives homeowners receive to install rooftop solar panels and batteries. New York Times Business. January 24. 5 o'clock America New York, can a new line of work help save these wild Welsh ponies? A long-standing source of local pride and affection, Welsh mountain ponies have seen many of their traditional roles vanish. A new initiative aims to ensure their continued survival. Horses are much-loved pets and companions throughout Wales.
Daily FX Market News. January 24. 4:46 America New York, British pound breaking news, GBP, USD indifferent after PMI miss. Cable was unmoved by weak UK PMI numbers this morning as markets focus on the upcoming Fed rate decision later this week, while GBP, USD finds support at 100-day EMA. Daily FX Market News. January 24. 3:50 America New York, Germany PMI data beat, manufacturing, 60.5, services, 52.2. The German economic environment looks to be on the up after strong manufacturing data and improved services data.
Wall Street Journal Markets. January 24. 3:06 America New York, U.S. futures rise after bruising week for markets. Asia-Pacific indexes were mixed, as the prospect of higher U.S. interest rates weighs on global markets.
New York Times Business. January 24. 3 o'clock America New York, rich countries lure health workers from low-income nations to fight shortages. Huge pay incentives and immigration fast-tracks are leading many to leave countries whose health systems urgently need their expertise. Alex Malumba, a nurse at a critical care hospital in Lusaka, Zambia, is considering moving to Canada for better pay.
Daily FX Market News. January 24. 1 o'clock America New York, Euro holds ground as asset allocations unfold ahead of the Fed. Can EUR/USD rally? The euro has been steady despite high volatility across markets in anticipation of the Federal Reserve meeting this week. Will the EUR/USD trend remain intact?
BBC News Business. January 24. 0:52 America New York, Cathay Pacific annual loss narrows to as little as $720 million. The airline warned of further losses after Hong Kong tightened aircrew quarantine rules again.
Armstrong Economics. January 24. 0:05 America New York, flashback. Fauci spreading false information on AIDS. Here is a flashback of Dr. Anthony Fauci spreading false information about AIDS transmission. Fauci claimed that people could become infected by simply being near someone with AIDS.